Okay, so here we've been given this question. The roots of the equation 2x to the power 2 plus 6x minus 15 is equal to 0 are alpha and beta. Find the value of alpha minus beta squared. So as the way we're going to solve this question, we're going to find the relationship of this given quadratic equation and also where it corresponds with alpha and beta from the relationship we're going to look at. So the relationship of alpha and beta to the quadratic equation is represented by the way we've been presented here. After this stage, we're going to expand the left hand side. So the left hand side is going to be in this form: x squared minus of alpha plus beta x plus alpha beta from the left hand side. So these are alpha and beta terms. We're going to arrange them according to their corresponding side to the right hand side. So by arranging them to their corresponding side to the right hand side, here what we are trying to find, the properties we're going to use in solving the given quadratic equation above. So according to their corresponding sides, to the left hand side here we have negative of alpha plus beta being equal to b over a, and we also have alpha times beta is being equal to c over a. So these are the relationships that we are going to use as our properties number 1. So property number 1 of addition, we are going to have alpha plus beta being equal to negative b over a, and the property number 2 are going to have alpha times beta being equal to c over a. So these are the two properties we're going to use to solve the given quadratic equation. So the given equation is of 2x squared plus 6x minus 15 being equal to 0. So here we're going to identify them as their coefficients. So here the first coefficient we have the value of a we have is 2, the value of b there we have is positive 6, and the value of c we have there is negative 15. Now from the properties we have of addition and multiplication, we have alpha plus beta being equal to negative b over a. So this one we're going to identify what's the value of b. The value of b is 6, so negative of 6 there, over what is the value of a. The value of a is 2, so alpha plus beta is equal to 3. So here when you look at to another property of multiplication, here we have alpha times beta being equal to c over a. So what is the value of c? The value of c here is negative 15, and the value of a that we have here is positive 2. So the alpha beta here of the corresponding size of c over a is negative 15 over 2, and here we are given to find the values of alpha and beta from this expression: alpha minus beta raised to the power 2. So this expression is going to be expanded as alpha minus beta, alpha minus beta. So here we're going to expand this expansion and we're going to leave it in this form. So this is how the expanded values of this expression above is going to be. So we're going to continue from here to find the identities now of this same expression. So here we're going to find the identity of this part here. So this part, it has an identity which you are going to find. So the identity here is going to be like this. So here, you know that alpha raised to the power 2 plus beta raised to the power 2 is just the same as alpha plus beta raised to the power 2. So to find this identity, we are going to say, we're going to expand this same expression here. So by expansion, it's going to remain as, just to show, alpha plus beta squared. The expansion is going to be alpha squared plus 2 alpha beta plus beta squared. So when this 2 alpha beta crosses the equal sign to the left hand side, it becomes negative. So we're going to use this identity as alpha plus beta squared minus 2 alpha beta being equal to alpha squared plus beta squared, as you've seen from where the question came from here. So like this position and this position, they are just the same, so giving us this identity here. So this is the identity for alpha squared plus beta squared for this expression. So we're going to recall back to the given question there. This is where we're going to input, like substitute this given identity here. So this expression has been written in this form from the given equation there from the expansion. So alpha squared plus beta squared there, where we had like this expression in our question, so it has been expressed in this form. So alpha here plus beta squared minus 4 alpha beta is just the same as alpha minus beta raised to the power 2. So this one is the identity for this expression that we've been given above. So from this part, we're going to substitute now the values that we found for alpha plus beta and the alpha beta to this identity here that we found. So we know that alpha plus beta, we found that it's -3, so -3 squared there, minus for what is alpha beta. So alpha beta, it's -15/2. So what next? So next here we're going to have, so -3 times or raised to the power 2 is just the same as 9. So here we have positive, so here we have 2 times 15, giving our answer to be 39. So this one is our final answer from the expression of alpha minus beta squared being equal to 39. So this one is our answer. Yeah.